Today at the State Institution TV channel Tourism Folk Crafts, the staff of the institution watched the address of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, the leader of the nation, Honorable Emomalî Raҳmon, to the Maҷlиси Олии of the Republic of Tajikistan on the main directions of the internal and foreign policy of the Republic in 2023, which was held in the hall of Kохи Somon of the Government of the Republic of Tajikistan. During the presentation of the address of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Honorable Emomalî Raҳmon, it was proposed to the Supreme Assembly of the Republic of Tajikistan to establish a separate structures under the government of the country, the Agency for the Protection of the Historical and Cultural Heritage. This agency is established for the purpose of the expansion, restoration and protection of the historical and cultural monuments, as well as development of the tourism industry. It was noted that during the last years, along with taking the necessary measures to solve the issue in the field of culture, a number of significant steps were taken to present the ancient culture of the Tajik people in the international arena. The President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Honorable Emomalî Raҳmon, among other things, mentioned that in 2023, 15 historical and cultural monuments of Tajiks entered the register of tangible and intangible culture of UNESCO.